Want extra cash? Who doesn't, right? Imagine that feeling. Paying off debt faster, taking that dream vacation, finally starting that passion project. It's all possible with a little extra income. That's where side hustles come in. They're not just about making ends meet, they're about achieving your dreams, whatever they may be. This guide is your roadmap to legitimate side hustles and remote jobs. We'll explore practical options you can start today, all scam-free. Get ready to unlock your earning potential. Side hustles are more than just extra cash, they're about empowerment. They give you control over your income and your time, no more relying solely on a 9-to-5 grind. You choose when and how you work. This flexibility is invaluable. The possibilities are endless. The remote work revolution is here, and it's transforming the way we think about work. No longer limited by geography, we now have access to a global pool of opportunities. This is especially beneficial for those seeking side hustles and flexible work arrangements. But with this increased opportunity comes the need for caution. We'll provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate this landscape safely and successfully. Your dream side hustle is out there waiting. For some, the quiet hum of the night sparks creativity and focus. If you find yourself most productive after the sun goes down, then nighttime side hustles might be your perfect match. One popular option is online tutoring. Platforms like TutorMe and Schooly connect you with students of all ages seeking help in various subjects. Another lucrative avenue is freelance writing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Virtual assistants might be your calling. Freelance writing is more than just stringing words together. It's about crafting compelling narratives. The demand for skilled writers has skyrocketed, creating a lucrative opportunity. You can choose your niche, set your rates, and work on projects that ignite your passion. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger connect writers with clients. Hone your craft, brush up on your grammar, and learn different writing styles. Building a successful freelance writing career takes time, effort, and dedication. With hard work, you can turn your freelance writing side hustle into a thriving career. Virtual assistants are the ultimate multitaskers, the behind-the-scenes heroes. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media, VAs are essential. The beauty of virtual assistants lies in its versatility. Whether you excel at organization, design, or writing, there's a niche for your skills. To thrive, you need to be a master of time management, organization, and communication. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial. The demand for skilled virtual assistants is only going to increase. While some thrive at night, others hit the ground running with the sunrise. Daytime remote jobs offer flexibility and earning potential. One popular option is customer service. The demand for skilled customer service representatives is skyrocketing. If you have a knack for social media, consider becoming a social media manager. For those with a passion for sales, the world of online sales offers endless possibilities. Remote work allows you to design a schedule that aligns with your natural rhythm. In today's digital age, customer service is more important than ever. As a remote customer service representative, you have the freedom to work from anywhere. This flexibility allows you to create a work environment that optimizes your productivity. Customer service is a highly engaging and dynamic field. You'll be interacting with customers, answering questions, and troubleshooting issues. The skills you develop are highly transferable, making it a valuable stepping stone. Many companies offer opportunities for growth within their customer service departments. If you live and breathe social media, you might have untapped earning potential. Businesses are clamoring for individuals who understand social media. As a remote social media manager, you craft compelling content and build a loyal community. Develop and implement social media strategies tailored to each client's goals. Understand the psychology of online engagement and analyze data to measure success. Specialize in a particular platform or offer services across multiple platforms. Work with clients in various industries, tapping into your passions and interests. The world of side hustles is brimming with inspiring stories. Take Sarah, a single mother who turned her passion for baking into a thriving business. She started selling her homemade cookies at local farmers markets. Realizing the potential, she launched an online store. Today, her business allows her to provide a comfortable life for her children. Then there's John, a retired teacher who found purpose through online tutoring. He leveraged his experience to help students succeed, turning his side hustle into a steady income. Side hustles can transform hobbies into income-generating opportunities. Consider Emily, a photographer who turned her passion into a thriving business. She started by offering her services to friends and family. As her portfolio grew, so did her clientele. Today she runs a successful photography business, traveling the world. Or take Mark, a software developer who turned his coding skills into a lucrative side hustle. He developed mobile games in his spare time, eventually turning his side hustle into a full-time career. For many, the allure of side hustles and remote work lies in escaping the monotony of a traditional 9-to-5 job. It's about reclaiming control over their time and pursuing financial freedom. Meet Lisa, a former marketing executive who launched a travel blog. She leveraged her marketing skills and love for travel to create stunning content. As her online presence grew, so did her opportunities. She partnered with travel brands, generating income through sponsored content. Today, Lisa is a successful travel blogger, inspiring others to pursue their travel dreams. Embarking on your side hustle journey is exciting, filled with the promise of extra income and newfound flexibility. Preparation, organization, and the right tools are key. Think of it as packing your side hustle toolkit. You'll need a reliable internet connection and a capable device. Create a comfortable workspace with a good chair and lighting. Embrace organization with a dedicated schedule and productivity tools. Invest in continuous learning through online courses and webinars. Section 2, Time Management Mastery. Juggling responsibilities without losing your mind. One of the most common challenges faced by side hustlers is the art of time management. Juggling a full-time job, family commitments, social life, and a side hustle can feel like a delicate balancing act, often leaving you feeling overwhelmed and stretched thin. But fear not. With the right strategies and a dash of discipline, you can master the art of time management and conquer the chaos, all while pursuing your side hustle dreams. Start by identifying your most productive hours. Are you a morning person who thrives in the quiet solitude before the world wakes up? Or perhaps you hit your stride in the evenings, when the day's demands have subsided. Once you've pinpointed your peak productivity windows, schedule your side hustle tasks accordingly. Protect those sacred hours from distractions and interruptions, creating a focused work environment where you can get things done. Next, embrace the power of batching. Instead of scattering similar tasks throughout the week, group them together and tackle them in dedicated blocks of time. For instance, dedicate one morning to writing blog posts, another to responding to emails, and another to handling social media engagement. This approach minimizes context switching, allowing you to maintain focus and work more efficiently. And don't be afraid to say no. It's easy to overcommit yourself, especially when you're excited about the possibilities of your side hustle. But remember, your time and energy are precious resources. Learn to prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and politely decline opportunities that don't align with your goals or schedule. Section 3, Navigating the Side Hustle Landscape. Finding your perfect match. With the abundance of side hustle opportunities available today, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for you. It's like standing in front of a buffet of endless possibilities, unsure where to start or which dishes will satisfy your cravings. But fear not. This isn't a culinary gamble, it's about finding the perfect side hustle flavor that complements your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Start by taking stock of your skills, passions, and experience. What are you naturally good at? What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? What unique knowledge or talents can you offer to the world? Your answers to these questions will serve as valuable clues in your side hustle quest. Next, consider your lifestyle and schedule. How much time can you realistically dedicate to your side hustle? Do you prefer working independently or collaborating with others? Are you comfortable with technology, or do you prefer more hands-on work? Your answers will help you narrow down your options and focus on side hustles that align with your personal preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different avenues. The beauty of side hustles is that they offer flexibility and low barriers to entry. You can try out different gigs, test the waters, and see what resonates with you without making a long-term commitment. Start with 1 or 2 side hustles that pique your interest, and as you gain experience and confidence, you can always expand your repertoire or pivot to new opportunities. Section 1. The empowering potential of side hustles. As we've explored throughout this guide, the world of side hustles and remote work is a vast and ever-evolving landscape brimming with opportunities for those seeking to supplement their income, explore new passions, or break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. From freelance writing and virtual assistants to online tutoring and social media management, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination and willingness to embrace the unknown. But beyond the financial rewards, side hustles offer something far more profound, a sense of empowerment and control over your life. They provide a path to financial freedom, allowing you to pay off debt, save for the future, or pursue those long-held dreams that once seemed out of reach. They offer flexibility and autonomy, enabling you to design a work-life balance that aligns with your values and priorities. And perhaps most importantly, they ignite a spark of entrepreneurship, encouraging you to embrace your inner innovator, take risks, and create something meaningful with your skills and talents. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't let fear, doubt, or the perceived enormity of the task hold you back from exploring the world of side hustles. Start small, experiment, and allow yourself the freedom to learn and grow along the way. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Section 2. Charting your course to financial freedom. Side hustles are not a get-rich-quick scheme. They're a long-term investment in your financial well-being and overall quality of life. Just as a ship needs a compass and a map to navigate the vast expanse of the ocean, you'll need a clear vision, a solid plan, and the discipline to stay the course on your journey to financial freedom. Start by defining your financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve through your side hustle income? Are you aiming to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, fund your dream vacation, or simply create a financial cushion for unexpected expenses? Having clear financial goals will provide direction and motivation, keeping you focused on the ultimate reward of your hard work. Next, create a realistic budget that incorporates your side hustle income. Determine how much you need to earn each month to reach your financial goals, and track your progress diligently. Consider setting up a separate bank account for your side hustle earnings to keep your finances organized and monitor your growth. As your side hustle income grows, resist the temptation to inflate your lifestyle. Instead, view it as an opportunity to accelerate your progress towards financial freedom. Increase your savings rate, pay down debt faster, or invest in your future by acquiring new skills or expanding your side hustle into a full-time venture. Section 3. Taking the leap, your side hustle adventure awaits. The world of side hustles and remote work is an invitation to explore your potential, challenge your limits, and design a life of greater freedom, flexibility, and financial security. It's a chance to break free from the constraints of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and embrace a world where work becomes an extension of your passions, not a chore to be endured. Don't let fear, self-doubt, or the opinions of others hold you back from pursuing your side hustle dreams. Remember, the only limits you face are the ones you set for yourself. Embrace the unknown with open arms and approach each challenge as an opportunity for growth and learning. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow side hustlers, mentors, and cheerleaders who will encourage you on your journey. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your setbacks, knowing that every experience, positive or negative, contributes to your overall growth and development. The time for action is now. Take that first step, however small it may seem, and embark on your side hustle adventure. The world is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless.